Of course, he called us, me and Gaurav Gogoi. Sir, please.
Sir,
Because Parliamentary Affairs Minister
when
quoted
Honorable
me.
LOP is
Yes,
standing,
he quoted me.
sir, when Honorable
That's why
LOP is standing,
I want to give a
when
clarification.
Honorable
on that.
LOP is standing, you are
Please allow me
speaking.
to give a clarification, sir.
No,
Please allow me. 1 minute.
no, sir, when Honorable LOP is
1
standing,
minute.
you are speaking.
1 minute.
Please permit him to speak.
Sir, 1 minute.
Please permit him to speak.
Parliamentary Affairs Minister took my name. No, 1 minute clarification.
No, sir. Please permit him to speak.
What
He's
is
already
this, sir?
started his speech, sir. He
Sir, what
started
is
his
this?
speech, sir. Let him speak.
Our speaker, what was the speaker's ruling yesterday? Don't quote the book, don't quote the magazine. This was the only ruling of the speaker. Sir,
No, sir. Please listen to me. He started his speech.
So
Please let
Parliamentary
him
Affairs
continue. He
I
started his speech.
need a
Let him
clarification
continue his
because
speech.
Parliamentary Affairs
Please,
Minister
Honorable,
quoted me.
Honorable,
He took my name.
Sir, what is, see, you want him to speak or not?
Look, this is only for, this house is only for them.
What is
This
this
is not for us. What is
What
this?
is this thing? What
This
you are
house is
saying?
only for
He
them.
has taken his name.
No, once again.
And what you are saying?
Mr. Venugopal, kindly be seated once again. No, listen. No, please listen. What did you say just now? What did you say just now? What is this yar? What is this yar? This is Parliament. This is Lok Sabha. You can't address the chair. You cannot address the chair with yar. What is this yar? No, you cannot address the chair by saying yar. No. Please take back your word. You can't say chair yar. No. You cannot. No. Honorable LOP is standing on his feet to speak. You are not allowing him to speak. माननीय राहुल गांधी जी आप बोलिएगा. No. Please allow him to speak. 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 No.
चेयरमैन साहब यार कह दिया तो क्या हो गया? क्या आफत आ गई है?
No, not correct.
राजनीति
No. There is a quorum. Not correct. That is not true. There should be a quorum of the house. There should be respect to the chair. You should know how to behave. No, not correct. Honorable Rahul ji, please speak. Please continue to speak.
Speaker, sir, if the issue is about me quoting a magazine, which I have authenticated, I'm happy not to quote it directly. No problem.
अगर आप ये वीडियो YouTube पर देख रहे हैं तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर बेल आइकन दबाएं और Facebook पर देख रहे हैं तो हमारे पेज को लाइक करें।